Rating classic and dynamic thumbsticks. Please like and subscribe to get me to 20 subs. I will start with classic thumbstick. It was honestly hard for me because I often couldn't find where it is. And it was kinda hard moving it only in a small space. Overall, I rated a 6/10. It was not really great for me to use, and it was kinda hard to control. Now dynamic thumbstick. I usually use this so it might be easier. Smooth. I'll give this an 8/10. It's easier to use, but sometimes it will go out of control. So it's very important to choose which one suits you more.